Hello from Chicago. Alan Knuckman here at the CME Group, talking energy with the focus on crude oil. Crude continues its deep dive, drilling down lower once again. New 2-month lows closing today down 90 cents at 64.90. The low of the session was 64.57. That's after a $2 drop that we saw last week. So these are new multi-month lows here. Friday took out that previous Monday low, and then today took out that lower low. So it continues to go downward, not able to find a bottom. Like I said, lowest level since the first week. I think it was April 10th. What's notable here is this spread has doubled. Now the spread between the WTI that we trade here and the Brent, there's also an options contract that trades that spread differential. Brent crude is now about $11. It's doubled from levels that we saw here earlier in May. So this is also at the widest level since 2015. So we've got WTI at a sharp discount to Brent crude because of some supply in the system right now. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Also in focus is the OPEC overhang. The production cutback talks has turned this oil market lower. Now let's remember the highs were made May 22nd, so it's not been that long of time since this downturn. And you got to remember, it's some profit taking that was much needed after this long upward movement that we've seen in the energy market. Notable today that 12 investment banks were surveyed in the Wall Street Journal, and they're looking for the WTI to average $66 a barrel this year, which is above where we stand right now. Focus on that 66 is interesting because that was the old double top that we saw months ago that we were able to push through in March above 70. Also, keep an eye on the macro market. The overall stock market's made a rebound and a comeback. We're at multi-month highs. We saw tech and the Russell 2000 make new closing highs, all-time forever closing highs here today. The Dow's lagging a bit behind, but the S&P's shown some strength overall, so that can be viewed as a positive for energy in the global growth story. So to summarize, crude oil down again, new relative lows down 90 cents, closing below $65 a barrel.